Hi students, welcome to Sakshi FIIT NEET Academy. In this video session we are going to learn about a fatigue reaction. We know that in a first year organic chemistry and in a second year organic chapter, that is alkyl halides and aryl halides, and coming to that first year organic chapter, that is hydrocarbon, we observe that Wood's reaction, Wood's fatigue reaction and a fatigue reaction. In a first year in a hydrocarbons chapter, Wood's reaction is one of the preparation methods of alkane. And what about Wood's fatigue reaction? That is one of the preparation methods of alkyl substituted benzene. And what about fatigue reaction? That is one of the preparation method of that is biphenyl compound. This we observe in a first year organic chapter, that is hydrocarbons. Coming to that second year organic chapter, that is in alkyl halides and aryl halides, we observe these reactions in a chemical properties of, that is alkyl halides and aryl halides. So here what is fatigue reaction? Already we have learned about Wood's reaction and Wood's fatigue reaction in our recent videos. So in this video we are going to learn about fatigue reaction and the difference between Wood's reaction, Wood's fatigue reaction and fatigue reaction. So let's begin. What is fatigue reaction? Fatigue reaction, simple here. In a fatigue reaction we are taking a dry ether solution of aryl halides. So here I am taking a bromobenzene, that we should take a 2 moles of bromobenzene, with a sodium metal, So this dry ether solution of aryl halide with a sodium metal, we are treating with a sodium metal. Then we will get a fused compound, that is a coupled. Here we are taking a 2 moles of bromobenzene. See here, this phenyl group and other bromobenzene phenyl group get a fuse each other. Then we will get a biphenyl compound. So this is the product we are getting in a fatigue reaction. Along with that we are getting a 2 moles of NaBr. So here in this reaction, the mechanism is actually electron transfer mechanism from sodium metal to carbon. So what happening here, simple. From these 2 moles of bromobenzene, both the benzene groups, benzene rings are bonded each other, coupled each other. This is called a biphenyl compound. So this is actually fatigue reaction. So here coupled, that is coupled product. Here coupling between two aryl groups. Then we are getting a biphenyl. So we are taking, that is bromobenzene, that is dry ether solution of bromobenzene with a sodium metal. We are getting a biphenyl compound. Simple. You just fuse this organic group. So here organic groups are just aromatic groups. That is called a fatigue reaction. This is called fatigue reaction. Then what about a Wood's fatigue reaction? In Wood's fatigue reaction, out of 2 moles of these alkyl halides, we are taking a 1 is aliphatic halide. Example, here I am taking a propyl bromide. This is propyl bromide. That is or bromopropane with a aromatic halide, that is aryl halide. Same, treat with a 2 moles of sodium metal, that is dry ether solvent. Upon heating we will get this fused compound, that is fused between, that is a coupling between this aromatic ring with this aliphatic chain. So finally we will get alkyl substituted. So how many carbons? This carbon is going to bond with this carbon, coupling between this carbon to this carbon. So 1 2 3. So we got a alkyl substituted benzene. benzene. This is called that is 2 moles of NaCl is common, that is salt. This is called Woods-Fittig reaction. Woods-Fittig reaction. So what about Woods reaction? Simply here both the alkyl halides are aliphatic. So simply here I am taking 2 moles of propyl chloride, 2 moles of propyl chloride with a sodium metal, that is in a dry ether solvent. Upon heating we are getting a product which fused that is a coupled product between this propyl and other propyl. See here 1 mole of alkyl chloride, that is propyl chloride, decomposed into propyl and chlorine. Another mole of propyl chloride decomposed into propyl and chlorine. For just understanding purpose, you just fuse that both the propyl groups, then you will get a hexane. 1 2 3 4 5 6 cyclo, that is chain hexane plus 2 NaCl. So this is a Woods reaction. We have already discussed about a Woods reaction and a Woods-Fittig reaction separately in other videos. So you just do watch that videos, then you will understand clear mechanism of a Woods reaction, mechanism of a Woods-Fittig reaction. So here I am taking these reactions again to show that what is the difference between a Fittig reaction, Woods-Fittig reaction and a Woods reaction. So I think hope you understand well what is a Fittig reaction. That is a coupling between two aryl groups. We are getting that is a substituted, that means these benzene rings are substituted each other, that means fused, we are getting a biphenyl compound. Coming to that Woods-Fittig reaction, that is aliphatic halide and aromatic halide. So from the aliphatic halide, this organic group, from the aromatic halide, this aromatic ring are going to couple each other, then we are getting a alkyl substituted benzene, so the byproduct is common. Now coming to that Woods reaction, both the alkyl halides are same, that is aliphatic alkyl halides, then we are getting that is coupled higher alkane along with that 2 moles of NaCl. This is called a Woods reaction. So this is the difference between Woods reaction, Woods-Fittig reaction and a Fittig reaction. So hope you understand well. If you like the video, subscribe the channel, share, like, comment and hit the bell icon so that you will get latest video lectures. Thank you.